Okay, so yesterday we did a review of the 318C2 from Lensgo, and today we're looking at this one. This is the 518C. Yeah, this is a, it's kind of neat. It really feels like it's a wireless microphone for like the modern day vlogger and someone that just wants something that's easy and convenient and whatever, right? And it fits their fashion style because that's important, I guess. As you can see here, free 4-color protective case. Choose any color you like. That's kind of cool. Although it looks, I wonder if it comes, so they're probably white out of the box. This box, as you can see, it does look white. But this one says that you get these color cases that you can change the colors. Now, I don't know. Let's see. 2.4 gigahertz wireless transmission, wide compatible, easy to connect. My guess is these are strictly for cell phones, because when you go up here to purchase one, or actually on, let's say, Aliexpress, which is one of the few places I think that you can actually buy them, you'll see that you'll get a for iPhone or for USB-C. So you're either going to get Lightning or a USB-C adapter in the box. High sensitivity, and you can see here she's definitely using phones, right? 2-year warranty, magnetic suction charging function, whatever that is, right? Noise reduction, yep. A bunch of pictures, what's in the box, there you go. But again, 2 transmitters. I love that we're seeing for under $100 things like wireless with 2 transmitters. That's really cool. Manual instructions, color, very cool. All right, I'm down. Let's take a look at what comes in the box, and then we'll pair it with, not really pair it, I guess. We'll connect it into my phone, which does, oh, it doesn't. I was gonna say maybe I need an adapter, but no, Lightning. Don't need an adapter. Cool. Let's try this out. Okay, so here it is. This is box though. The box really light. Choose any color. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, it's so early. Choose any color you love. Model 518, and it even shows you get all the colors. All the colors. Dual transmitter, wireless lavalier microphone for smartphones. But again, make sure you choose USB-C or Lightning, depending on what you're using, right? Now, my hope is that they sent me the Lightning version. That's my hope. So if not, then we're in trouble. It just says for a smartphone. Doesn't say anything in the back. Recommended work with a tripod. It's weird that it says it needs a tripod. All right, let's get El Knifo. El Knifo, right there. Very nice. Because sometimes the only thing you're bringing with you sometimes, and I've learned this on some trips and all that, you're just like, I don't want to carry a whole bunch of stuff. So I'm rocking just the phone because it's good enough. It'll do. So you got a cool little microphone, right? Instruction manual. That's large, right? That's excellent. We're gonna try it and see what we think, right? Oh, a QR code. Very nice. Bunch of languages. Yep. Sweet. Does it start off with the Chinese? Yeah, it does. And then it goes to, it looks like English in the back. So there it is. All good. Yeah, good size fonts. Readable, legible. How to turn it on and off. Connection pairing. Yep, good. We'll keep it handy just in case. You also get a little, like a quick start. It's frightening at first because it's all in like Chinese, but it does have English at the bottom. Yes. Yeah. What does it say? Double click and click. Double click, click. I don't know what that means. Double click the transmitter function button. The red light is always on. It means the noise reduction is turned on. And it is also double click the function button to turn it off. Because they're single buttons. Like they really made it simple. There's no screens. It's not as if you're adjusting anything like that. It's, do you want a mic? Do you not want a mic? If you want a mic, use this. If you want it to have noise reduction, it says double click it and you're good, right? What's on the other side? Anything there? Double click to turn on the reverb. Where is that? Reverb on, that must be on maybe the receiver. Because it's like double click, right? The blue lights are always on, indicating that the reverb is turned on. It also double click to turn off the reverb. My guess is one piece is right. It doesn't say noise reduction and then it says reverb. Maybe it just goes back and forth from reverb to noise reduction, because it definitely seems like they're talking about the exact same unit. I don't know. A little bag. You get a little bag. That's sweet. It works. Oh, look at all those cute little colors. Now, this one, yesterday's was micro USB. This one is USB-A to USB-C. So that's good. That's appreciated. This is going to be it. And it's a little what is this? What is that? Oh, that's the opener. What? I don't know. What is this? Is that not strange? Like, what is this thing? That opens. I'm down. I think that opens. Oh, I got tape on it. That's why it's not opening. Right? Wireless microphone. And they even made it all funky. But I do find whatever this is right here. What is that? It works nice. Maybe, I have no idea. I was going to say maybe it's nothing. I have no idea. Okay, this plastic comes off. Should I keep the sticker on? Yeah, I'll keep the sticker on. It's pretty, right? And then it talks about gray, pink, blue. Really small, so I have no idea. I can't read any of that. But look at these. These are going to be how to make yourself look stylish, right? I would have liked to have seen like just a black one. Is there no like black one? Oh, they are oh, they have black ones on them, maybe? Let's just take one of these. Oh, yes, it has a black one on it already. So if you want black, you got black. Nice. If you don't want black, you can take it and just have white. Or you can put one of these funky colors on. They're they're all very pastel-y, right? Very pastel. But black, I'm down with them. That's nice. That's all right. And yes, as you can see, right? Lightning. Yes? Yes. And there's your lights for the different transmitters. It has a USB-C right there, so that's not sure what that's doing. Something, I guess. Maybe that's how you charge these, right? Maybe that's it. No, I have no idea. These, well, this charges via the case, and then this would just run off the phone, is my guess, but the case would need to charge. I think, right? Yes? That's what I'm guessing. Yes, I think. All right. We're going to keep it the way it is. Ready? Does it fit on my iPhone with a case? That's the question. With a case, it looks like as long as your hole is big enough, right? And it goes. And you get a little flashy blue light. You guys see that right there, right? Flashy blue lights. Cool. So that piece doesn't need anything. And then if I took this, right, and I turn this on, just hold this, I'm guessing. It goes blue. Locks on. Lock and loaded, my friends, right? Lock and loaded. Same thing with this one. If I turn this one on, blue, lock and loaded. Haha. That's super simple. And I'm guessing, see, this is where it's like, if you double click it, it goes red, right? And then you double click it and it goes back to blue. I thought maybe there was a double click on this, but there isn't, so I don't know. What is there a top button? No. Oh, there is a top button. So if you double click this one goes to a weird color, and double click this one, it goes off. So maybe that's something. You guys can read the instructions more. Anyways, what we're doing is we're leaving them the way they are, right? We're leaving them the way they are. I'm going to turn this one off because we don't need that. Boom. It disconnected there. Sweet deal, right? And I can put it back in the case because you can see that's the little, see the little charging notches? You just kind of snap that on there. I have a feeling this case is not maybe charged because there's no indicators coming up. So let's plug it in. Yes, yep, I'm plugging it in. Okay, and if I close this for say and do this, okay, at that point it charges. Now I don't think, so what I don't think is this has a battery in it. This doesn't have a battery in it, right? It is, right, when you open it, it stops charging. You close it. It must be something, no? Okay, well it's charging, it's flickering. There's a little red flicky there. Okay, this is on. Now, the one thing that these don't have that a lot of the Lensgo has is there's no magnet. So we're gonna just, okay, we're just rocking this like this, okay? And what I'm gonna do here, just for you fine folks, I'm gonna put my phone up on the table like so. Yes. And the only way I can make sure that this is functioning is we're going to turn it this way. I'm going to hit record, ready? Okay, so we're recording, and for me to really truly, I guess, know if this is actually this microphone and not the iPhone microphone is I'm going to just walk in the other room, right? And if it can still hear me, then we're good, because if it was actually the iPhone, then you wouldn't hear me. Hold on, I'm going to keep talking. So I'm way over here in this room right now. So maybe you're like, this is how the video should be all the time. Well, then I'm sad. I'm sad for you. But I can go in here and I can go on the other side of the door. Maybe go on the other side of the door. See if that functions. Right? Are you guys hear me? And I think this is what I think this kind of microphone is for. Right? This microphone is really for you and I. That are smartphone, but we're vlogging, and we're not going to be far away from the microphone by any means, right? This is, and it's super easy to use. You just turn them both on and kapow, right? And it sits in there nice. I'm down with that. All right, I'm going to switch back to this camera now. Okay, I'm just interjecting into this video a little bit because I've had a chance to actually listen to the audio, and I'm upstairs now actually editing it. And the mic sounds okay, it's fine, but there's a lot of crackling. Now just realize I thought I had it down far enough. So if you are using this microphone and maybe you have a beard or you have a tight collar, for instance, every time you hear like that crackling sound, it's it rubbing up against my neck. So a few things that I would either do is make sure you have a looser collar to bring it down, or, you know, bunch up some clothes down here and kind of clip it onto the clothing maybe down here, or if you have something that's just lower so it's not constantly rubbing. Other than that, you know, for the price point and the fact that it's just an iPhone thing, like an iPhone smartphone type mic, it's not bad. All right, back to the video. I think for the price, what was this, like 90 bucks? That's pretty decent, right? 90 bucks. If you're looking for a wireless dual, it's a dual transmitter, which is cool, for your smartphone. It could be a good option. You guys have heard what the audio sounds like, so I leave that part up to you because I really even haven't heard it. But you get an idea of what it sounds like. I love how it functions. Like, it's just like boom, boom, boom. You got it all unplugged. You know, you turn this off. You just plug it back in here. This is a weird little dongy thing, but whatever. I'm not here to judge. I'm here to judge a little bit. Right? You take that, you put that in there, close her up. Both are charging now. You guys see that? Yes. It's easy. It's easy. It's a super easy setup. So, you know, it works, I guess. You guys have heard it. Let me know in the comments what you think of the audio quality, and if you think for smartphone shooters, if this is a good setup. All right, my friends, links down below to both Lensgo's website as well as Aliexpress, and anywhere else I can possibly find it. And that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we will see you fine folks in tomorrow's video. Later, my friends.